name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We're in Connecticut servicing all types of sewer and drain issues, especially the small ones like a toilet auger. We just got a call from a customer here. We're going to take a look, see what we got going on. I bet you thought I was going to show you. That's kind of disgusting. All you need to know is that we're going to make this thing run right and it's going to be correct. Welcome back. Just like we did a minute ago, we had a toilet issue, and toilet flush is fine now. No clog, no issue. Thank you for checking us out on our video. You can check us out at allthingsdrain.com.